Welcome to our high-tech facility. Today, I will show you exactly how pythons are raised for both meat and premium leather products.
Every step of our process is handled with surgical precision. Our specialized environment ensures the highest standards of safety and efficiency.
Regular health assessments are vital. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this as we explore this fascinating, high-stakes industry.
Each python is tracked using advanced scanning technology. This allows us to monitor growth rates and maintain detailed health records for every animal.
Specialized handling equipment, like these clear transport tubes, allows our technicians to work safely while keeping the pythons calm and secure.
Detailed labeling is essential for our workflow. These tags provide immediate access to the history and current status of each individual python.
As they reach specific growth milestones, the pythons are transitioned into larger, optimized environments designed to
the systems. Technicians constantly monitor behavior and environmental conditions, manually verifying data to ensure.
We prepare a specialized organic substrate for each enclosure. This material is vital for maintaining the precise humidity levels pythons need.
Breeding is a delicate process. We carefully monitor nesting mothers and their eggs, recording every detail to ensure a high hatch rate.
Once laid, eggs are moved to specialized incubation trays. This controlled environment protects the embryos and
the trays are sealed to maintain a perfect microclimate. Precision at this stage is what sets our facility apart in reptilian husbandry.
Our incubation racks are monitored by high-precision sensors. We calibrate these daily to maintain a perfect.
Hygiene remains our top priority during incubation. We manually inspect and clean each egg to prevent any bacterial growth that could compromise the clutch. The hatching process begins after weeks of careful climate control. A small slit in the eggshell is the first sign of a successful cycle. A healthy hatchling emerges. These neonates are immediately assessed for vigor and pattern quality before being moved to their first individual rearing units.
Each juvenile is assigned a dedicated space. This individual housing prevents stress and allows.
Growth metrics are recorded weekly. We weigh each snake and sync the data to our central system to ensure they are meeting optimal development curves.
Consistent hydration and sanitation are the pillars of our husbandry. Automated systems are backed up by manual checks to ensure total reliability. Our sanitation protocols are rigorous. Every piece of equipment that comes into contact with the animals is thoroughly disinfected after every single use. Advanced environmental controllers manage the facility's airflow and humidity. These systems are the secret to maintaining the tropical conditions pythons require to thrive. Our handling techniques prioritize the well-being of the animal. Using specialized tools reduces stress and ensures.
Protocol TF3 current person pansurface strict distinto. Person will tend sharper.
Traceability is key to our operation. Every snake's lineage and health history is accessible at a glance through our integrated digital tagging system.
We perform detailed skin inspections regularly. Maintaining flawless hide quality is essential for the high-end luxury markets we serve across the globe.
The scale of our operation is unmatched. We manage thousands of individuals simultaneously, all well maintained.
Logistics are streamlined to ensure a smooth transition between phases. Our automated conveyor systems move animals.
Secure containment is a critical design feature. Every enclosure is double latched to ensure the safety of our staff and the integrity of our inventory.
Expert oversight guides every department. Our senior biologists review all health data to ensure our breeding and rearing programs remain world-class.
Efficiency and movement is vital for our daily workflow. We use heavy-duty logistics equipment to manage the
engines. Our distribution network is highly organized. Climate-controlled transport ensures that everything leaving our facility. This facility represents a major leap forward in sustainable reptile production, combining industrial scale.
Security and hygiene are intertwined. Our staff undergoes constant decontamination to ensure no external contaminants ever reach our sensitive production zones.
Daily deep cleaning protocols involve high-pressure sterilization of all surfaces. This prevents the buildup of organic waste and maintains our hospital-grade standards.
Specialized microclimates are maintained throughout the building. This fogging system ensures the constant, high humidity required for the health of our larger specimens.
In our on-site laboratory, we conduct constant biological testing. This allows us to monitor for pathogens and
Nice. The leather tanning process begins with specialized chemical treatments. This stage is crucial for preserving the
industrial process hides of harshly.
Every hide is manually cleaned and inspected. Our experts look for even the smallest imperfections to ensure only the highest grade leather proceeds. Flirtlers. Advanced stretching and drying machinery prepares the hides for finishing. This process enhances the unique scale patterns. The finishing stage adds a luxurious sheen to the leather. Our technicians apply specialized coatings that protect the scales.
Robotic precision cutting ensures that every piece of leather is utilized efficiently. This high-tech approach minimizes.
Precision measurement is the final gate for quality control. We verify the thickness of every hide to ensure it meets the strict specifications of our clients.
After processing, skins are sorted by grade, pattern, and size. This meticulous cataloging ensures.
Our inventory showcases the incredible natural diversity of python patterns. Each skin is a unique masterpiece of
Ready for global export, these skins represent the culmination of months of scientific care. We supply.
The journey from our lab ends at the artisan's table. Here, the raw material is transformed into.
Laser cutting technology allows for perfect symmetry. By integrating digital patterns, we maximize yield and ensure that the most beautiful parts of the skin are highlighted.
Hand marking remains an essential step. Our craftsmen identify the unique flow of each skin to determine the best placement for seams and hardware.
Final branding and embossing are performed with high-pressure stamps. This marks the transition from a biological specimen to a certified high-end fashion component. Specialized stitching techniques are required for python leather. The scales must be handled carefully to ensure the thread remains secure without damaging the natural texture.
Edge finishing is a delicate process. We use precision grinding to ensure a smooth, seamless transition between the exotic hide and the structural lining.
Installing high-end hardware is the final step in assembly. These custom-made fittings complement the natural look.
In the showroom, the value of the process becomes clear. These items are highly sought after by collectors who value both the material and the methodology.
Premium packaging protects the product and enhances the luxury experience. Every item is treated with the utmost care from our facility to the final owner.
Hand stitching remains the gold standard for durability. This meticulous process ensures that the natural beauty of the hide remains undisturbed. The final assembly brings every element together. High-quality hardware is the finishing touch on our lab-to-luxury production cycle.
Hardware installation is a high-stakes task. A single arrow could ruin the hide, so our craftsmen work with extreme patience.
From our high-tech labs to the world's most exclusive boutiques, the value of our specialized rearing process is evident in every piece.
Every item is packaged to reflect its prestige. We take as much care in shipping as we do in every stage of production.
Traceability extends to the final consumer. Each piece comes with a guarantee that the leather was sourced from our controlled facility.
Our logistical capacity allows us to meet global demand. We ship thousands of units weekly to major fashion capitals around the world. In retail, our leather is the star of the show. Designers prize our hides for their unique patterns and exceptional dyeing quality.
Educating the consumer is part of our mission. We provide full transparency into how our pythons are raised and processed.
Sustainability is built into our business model. Every part of the python is utilized, ensuring zero waste across our entire production line.
Our specialized machinery handles the dual harvest of skin and meat. This process is optimized for speed without compromising the hide's quality.
Python meat is a high-protein resource. We process it under the same strict hygienic standards as any other height-grade food product.
Robotics streamline our food production side. This allows us to scale our output while maintaining 100% accuracy in portion control.
Advanced slicing technology ensures uniform texture. This consistency is vital for our partners in the global food and restaurant industries. Every batch of meat undergoes rigorous testing. We verify protein levels and safety markers before any product is cleared for distribution.
Continuous oversight ensures our standards never slip. Our team monitors the entire life cycle, from the egg to the final consumer product.
Vacuum sealing preserves the product for international shipping. This technology allows us to provide fresh python meat to markets around the world.
Our automated boxing systems handle thousands of units per hour. This efficiency is what makes our facility a leader in the industry.
We utilize the latest in industrial automation. This minimizes human contact and ensures the highest level of hygiene for our meat products.
Automation allows for 24-hour production cycles.
We can process large volumes of high-quality python meat to meet increasing global demand. Final boxing is the last step in our on-site journey. From here, the product is moved directly to our climate-controlled distribution center.
Heat sealing technology ensures a tamper-proof finish. This is the final layer of protection before our products enter the global supply chain. Our distribution network operates around the clock. These trucks are the final link between our facility and our partners worldwide. This is the future of the python industry. We combine science, technology, and tradition